Hi there, welcome back. So we've already explored making a video using my studio, and this time we're going to try a production. So once you're in the platform, you go to the menu, look for, something in the way here, Productions. We're going to select that. It's going to open all the productions you may or may not have. It's showing some that I've done already, but we want to make a new one, so we're going to select New Production. So this one's got a lot more that you can do in it. Firstly, you can select a format. It's going to kind of lead the direction that the video is going to take. For the example today, I want to use musical. And then there's a required field to put in a title. So I'm going to write Jazz Lounge. And the theme is optional. Again, we got some style presets. Dark, cinematic, photorealistic, fantasy. I think I'm going to leave it at none again this time. And live action, illustrated, claymation. So maybe just take some time and read what these exactly are. I'm going to choose live action. So I'm going to select two of my characters for this video I'm planning. And then here's probably the biggest main difference. So it gives you the chance to make 3 scenes. It says write one short brief. Let me read that again. Write one short brief per scene. Each becomes an 8-second video clip. The production will play scene by scene with the same character throughout. I have my prompts. Okay, that happened again. Just a minute, I'll paste in my prompts. Alright, so I got my scenes in here. I'm going to select Create Production and Continue. Okay, so now you can see it shows the cast or characters I selected, the format, render style. Here again we can pick the full guard, relaxed, or raw. I'm going to try relaxed again. Style, video model, keep it on VO light, and then our 3 scenes. So you can render each scene separate or render all scenes. I'm going to try this. I'll pause while this generates. Okay, so they're finished. As you can see, it's made 3 prompts. So I guess why you wouldn't want to render them all at once. Maybe you weren't too confident it was going to work. I would say maybe just with some more control. But the next step will be, you can see under each it's got generate keyframe. So I'm going to start doing that. I'll pause again while these complete. Alright, so my images are complete. Here's the first one. Really happy how this turned out. Scene 2. Scene 3. Yeah, they're all great. So maybe you didn't like how it turned out. In here, you see you can reassemble the prompt, regenerate the image and video, or regen video only. I haven't done the video yet. So there's always options if it doesn't quite turn out as you hoped to change it. So I'm going to go ahead and generate this video. Alright, the first video is done. I should have recorded while I watch. I'll give it a play.
How about we stretch our legs, kid? Feel the music.
The night is still young, lead the way.
Cupid's like, oh, maybe I'll just sit back down. I still think that'll work. I could always edit her sitting back down out. I want to keep going. So I'm going to generate this next scene. Okay, so I went ahead and finished scene 2 and 3. So I'm going to play these for you.
You almost kept up, handsome. Almost isn't enough for a dame like you, kid.
Number 2, scene 3.
You look stunning tonight, Keepa. Really dig your style.
Why, thank you, buddy. Don't be afraid to get a little closer.
You can see here, I struggled a little bit with scene 3. They look a little different. I did kind of play around with their descriptions.
You look stunning tonight, Keepa. Really dig your style.
Why, thank you, buddy. Don't be afraid to get a little closer.
So if I was doing something with this, I may continue trying to, fix it up. For this, though, I'm just going to keep going. So you can see extend with new scene. There's scene 4. You can keep going. I'm just going to stick with these 3 for now. And again, when I edited this, because I didn't like what it did, I went to edit brief, changed this. I re-rendered the prompt and the video. Oops, because I already did that. I can't do that. So save. Oops, wrong button. So here you can regenerate the image and video or the video only.